Hello and welcome YouTube. Today we're gonna do unboxing two special products came this year 2020 from Apple. iPhone 12 Pro 5G phone and iPhone 12 Pro Max 5G phone. So let's get started and see what's inside the box. And here we go. So I'm gonna start with iPhone 12 Pro 5G. So let's do unboxing. Go. All right. The box very much is slim. It's not like the iPhone previous versions, like iPhone 11 and iPhone 10, and this one is very much slim box. As you know, Apple, they just made the iPhone without a charger or headset or headphones. So let's see what's inside it. All right. Oh gosh, that is a really fantastic phone. Okay. All right, so it's iPhone 12 Pro. As you know, comes with 3 cameras. All right, and this side it has a SIM card tray and the power button. Okay, and the top nothing. It's a metal, by the way, it's a metal frame, and this side has a silent switch or a silent button, volume up and down, and then there the tender port for the headset or a charger. Okay, all right, and let's get this one out here. The phone itself is great. It's in great shape. It's very much, I have iPhone 11. Okay, so let's do, all right, so I'm gonna put it here. All So let's get out of the case. All right, so this is iPhone 11. All right, so I can compare. All right, I can compare the size because I know it's a 6.1 inches for both. All right, let's see here. Yeah, very much identical size, except the iPhone 12. It's in my personal opinion, as I see here, it's mixed between iPhone 11 and iPhone 5S, because I haven't seen the metal frame or like rectangular. It's not like you see the edge here on the iPhone 11. It's curvy edge, but this one, it sounds like it's not that very much curvy. I think it's mixed between iPhone 5S and 11, so which is very good one. I mean, I love it. I love it. It's really amazing one. That is really awesome. It's a great. All right, so let's see. Let me put out the iPhone 11, my old one, on side here, and let's continue checking what's inside the box. It comes with only USB Type-C charger, a Thunderbolt charger. It's just a cable, and that is a SIM card ejector, as you see here, and couple papers like Apple logo and some safety and handling instructions. That's it. Otherwise, nothing here. All right, and let's see what else here. That's it. That's all what we have here. This is very much what's inside the box of the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, actually I need to keep the phone here because we need to do comparison with the size with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, so I'm gonna put this box on side for a moment, and here's the iPhone 12 here. All right, so let's do unboxing for the big boy. Okay, there we go. All right, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh la la. See? That is fantastic. I love the big size because I'm really tired by using the size of the 6.1 inches like the iPhone 11. This is my iPhone 11. But I like the big size. This is my Note 20 Ultra. It's very much perfect size. I love the big size because it does help me. Okay, so let's focus on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. All right, let's see. Here we go. Okay, the size is amazing. 6.7 inches screen, very much identical to the iPhone 12 Pro, except the size. It's 6.7 and the iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 inches. SIM card tray here, power button, and you see dual speaker and charger or headset input, and the other side here it's oh, okay. Well, I am really sorry if I say this is the SIM card tray. The SIM card tray, it's on the other side. Huh. All right. All right. Okay, so this is not the SIM card tray. What is this? Looks like it's infrared. I'm not 100% sure, but it sounds like it's an infrared. It's not SIM card tray because the SIM card tray, it's right here on this side. And by the way, the SIM card tray, it's about not at the middle here, but it's a little bit above the bottom. Compared with the iPhone 12, it's at the bottom here. You see? So let's compare. This is the tray on the 12. The bottom phone is the 12, and the top phone is the 12 Pro Max. Okay. So, and also volume up and down, and a silent switch here on top. Nothing. It's a metal frame. It's an amazing phone. It's really amazing phone. I love it. And the color, it's my favorite color. I like blue color. That's really fantastic one. So yeah, the size, let's see here, the size on this phone compared with iPhone 12. It's like father and son. It's very much 6.1 and 6.7 inches. Let's get a little bit compared here. Maybe it's gonna be clear here. All right, yeah. I like the big phones. Really, big screen is much better for me. The rest in the box here very much identical as you see on the previous box. Just USB Type-C with Thunderbolt cable. That's it. And couple pages or couple papers. Basically, one has Apple logo and the other one has a safety and handling instructions with the SIM card ejector. Otherwise, nothing. There is no charger brick. There is no headphones or headsets. So there is no headphones, no charger breaks, no power adapter. It's just USB Type-C power cable. Otherwise, this is just the iPhone 12 Pro 5G, and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max 5G. All right, so this is it. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Put your comments, your questions, and I appreciate your time. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.